Okay, this was the question number 1 in penguin. Is it anybody from group number 1? Can you tell only the content of it? You know that content are quantity, change and relationship, uncertainty and data, space and shape. It is coming under what? Anybody from group number 1? Yes? Anybody from group number 1? You are able to hear me?
Sir, group number 2 is ready.
No, is
Sir,
it?
Sir,
Okay.
Group number
Group
2.
number 1. Anybody from group number 1? You can tell.
Sir, good afternoon.
Yes.
I'm Radha from Bangalore Urban.
Madam, please tell your group, please.
First group.
Okay, now tell me question number 1 is coming under which content? Penguin question number 1 is coming under which content?
Which content?
Content.
Percentage.
No, sir. You have quantity, change and relationship, uncertainty and data, space and shape.
Quantity.
Good, madam. It is coming under quantity.
Quantity.
Madam, can you tell me that quantity you got it from which keyword from this?
C, sir. 41%.
No, madam. Again, I am repeating. I don't want the answer.
Yes.
I am telling you. You came to the conclusion that it is coming under the content quantity. How you got it?
How we got it? Because they have given the keyword as how much heavier than the first egg.
How many? There is a word is there, na?
How many?
Yes, madam. This is the keyword. Therefore, whenever you are fixing the content first, suppose you are fixing it, okay? Then you have to be very careful. All the questions should be based on that only. Okay. It is quantity. Thank you, madam. It is right. It is quantity.
Yes.
Let us go to the second one.
Okay.
Sir, Swami from group number 2, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, content is quantity, sir, as we have to find the number of
penguins. Same thing.
Yes,
how many penguins are there? Therefore, you have come to a conclusion that the two questions can be from the same context also, from the frame content also.
Yes,
don't think that if you are asking 4 questions should be from different. Okay. First question is also quantity. Second question is also quantity. Because there is a word called how many penguins are there in the colony.
Sir, as far as process is concerned.
Yes, sir.
Since we have to calculate, it comes under formulation, sir.
That is different, sir. I am not at all talking about the process.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I am talking about only the content area.
Okay, sir. Right.
There are 4 content area. You should first understand that what will come under that content area. What you are going to ask the children under that content area.
Okay. Quantity.
Yes, sir. Quantity is right. Right. Quantity is right. Then question number 3. Third group, please.
Hello, group number 3, sir.
Yes.
Sir, Vice Nagaraj Jella, TGTMS, sir, from Chikbalapur.
Yes,
sir.
Sir,
Third
please.
question also come under the quantity, sir. Yes.
Sorry, sir, it is not under quantity. Can you think once? I have told you it is not quantity. Can you think twice? Anybody from that group number 3? Can you think? Because it is issued by PISA 2012 question paper. Therefore, we cannot change the content, please.
Sir, I think it is change and relationship.
Thank you, sir. You are from which group?
Third group.
Okay, I think I thought that somebody has crossed the group. Okay, well, good. It is from change and relationship because you see, based on the assumption, you have been asked to find after 7 years. Therefore, after 7 years, there are certain changes. How the changes are there? The changes are having a relationship. What is the relationship? Each year, 20% of the penguin will die. You got the idea, sir? The person who told quantity?
Yes, sir, I got.
Okay, sir, confusion will be there. Normally,
No,
confusion will be there.
but-
This is
But
coming
here I
under,
think
this is
percentage and
coming
the
under
formula.
change and relationship because we are
Quantity.
calculating.
Now I
Okay.
understood.
Okay, we are calculating the change after certain period of time. For finding the change, there is a relationship is given. I think normally you will be asking the child in the class also, population increases at this rate. What will be the population after some time? These type of question are coming under, I think, cumulative, what is that? Compound interest. There are some questions in compound interest also. Therefore, change and relationship will come under this. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Question number 4. Fourth group, please. Anybody from fourth group? Anybody from fourth group? Yes, please. Yes, sir, please continue.
Uncertainty.
Who told, madam, you are from group number 4?
5, sir. 5.
Array, madam, I want it from group number 4, please. Don't cross the group. Let them first try. If you're not there, then we will keep it open. I want from group number 4, please.
Sir, I am from group number 4. I think it is uncertainty and data.
Definitely, sir. It is uncertainty and data because data is available here. Can you explain me, sir, why it is uncertainty?
Sir, I think they are asking the future whether they get extinct or not.
They are asking about the future. That is uncertainty is there.
Yeah.
But remember, friends, using the data, we are doing some calculation for the uncertainty. Normally, we are doing in the probability the same type of thing only. Using the data, we want to explore the uncertainties. So it is coming under uncertainty and data. Therefore, hats off to all the 4 groups. Penguin question number 1, quantity. Penguin question number 2, quantity. Penguin question number 3, change and relationship. Penguin question number 4, uncertainty and data. Thank you, sir. We will move on to number 5. Power of the wind. This is also coming under scientific. Question number 1, please.
I think it is from quantity, sir.
Sir.
No, sir, it is
quantity.
I think it is for group number 5.
Sir, group number 5. I think
sir.
it is from quantity, sir.
5
Sir,
only, sir.
will you please answer, one of you? Yes, sir, please.
Sir, quantity, sir.
Sorry, it is wrong. Please think twice. Please read the statement carefully. Please concentrate on the last statement. On exactly 97 days a year, the wind power null. The maintenance cost of the wind depend on the amount of kilowatt per hour generated.
Relationship.
Yes, madam, you got the idea. It is change and relationship.
Change and relationship.
Change and relationship.
Yes, sir.
Question number 1
Yes.
is change and relationship. You see, the statement itself tells you a lot of things. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you. I think.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Shall we move on to group number? I think it is 5, 6. Group number 6. Question number 2. Normal calculation. Please tell me under which context it is. Sorry, content it is coming.
Sir, I actually myself Chandran from group 6, sir.
Yes, please.
I think that this question comes under change in relationship because
Equation is there. Oh, very good, sir. You see, when y changes, f changes. Very simple. We are actually having the equation like this only. Suppose if you are having z is equal to 3x plus 4y, when x and y changes, z changes. Therefore, here f changes. The financial gain changes with respect to y. Therefore, this is change and relationship. The f and Y are related using a formula. I think I got it. Therefore, number 2 is change in relationship.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay. Move on to group number 7. Anybody from group number 7, please? Can you identify?
Space and the shape.
Oh, fantastic. You got this. Okay. Because you see, all these calculations are made with respect to that square.
Yeah.
Coming under shape and space. Good.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Then the last question.
Sir, it's change and relationship, sir.
I think you got the idea, madam. Thank you. Because this is, you have to calculate the maximum speed in the rotor blade, describe your solution process. Here, there is a relationship formula is given. You have
Yes,
to
sir.
do the solution using that relationship formula only. Using the relationship formula, there are some changes are felt. You are finding out the change only. For example, you are giving a formula to calculate the velocity where T is there, that is coming under change in relationship. Thank you. I think everybody has done very nicely. Let us go and check out the answers first. This is question number 1, penguin. It will be given in PISA like this only. The question description is given. Context scientific, process employment, mathematical content area, quantity. Full credit will be given to 41% and no credit will be given to the remaining. Then question number 2, quantity and scientific and full credit for 12,000, no credit for the remaining. And question number 3, again change in relationship, full credit for finding BP, the answer writing, no credit for the remaining. Then come back to that, the last question. This is actually, I think everybody has done it nicely. This is change and, uncertainty and data. Okay, now this is based on the above, we are just doing it. Penguin number 4, uncertainty and data. For 4 correct response, true, false, true in that order. Okay. Then in the power of the wind, this is question number 1. Change in relationship. Answers are given yes, no, in that order. The second one also answer is given. And it is change in relationship. For the third, this also I will share it with you. These answers also I will share it with you. Once again, this is scoring number 3. Once again, space and shape, scientific, and full credit is given for the calculations.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Sir, one clarification needed, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
See, in code number 1, full credit is given. You see, in there, how they are differentiating, sir?
Which one?
Code 0 and code 1.
Problem. No, sir, they are having a code for giving the marks and giving the credit, and for that they are having one calculation. Based on the calculation, the countries will be numbered. Merit will be given to the country.
So it depends on the question setter.
No, sir, not the question setter.
See, sir, the answer we are finding.
No, sir, remember when we are preparing the question and giving to the children, we will not have this code number. I will give you the template. In that template, we will just tell only what is full credit and what will be for partial credit and what will be for no credit. That's all. We will not use this code. Code is little bit maybe technical, but we will not use the code. Okay. Okay. Now power of the wind scoring number 4. It is once again given change in relationship, and they have given the answer. Is it okay? This is PISA 2012. I have taken it from there, and I have made a question without that explaining what is the context and what is the content. I have not explained it to you, but I think you have got it except one. Okay, well, I think I will close this. We don't want it now. Okay, we will go back to our presentation. In our presentation from the morning, I will continue now. From the morning, what we have seen? We have understood what is PISA question pattern, and we have understood what is mathematical literacy and what is the meaning of mathematization. And we took a problem where car parking vagera, then we tried to convert it into mathematization. Then we understood that how PISA is treating mathematics. What are the content areas? What are context areas? And remember, content area is very, very important. Context will come automatically. Therefore, content is very, very important. And now, to achieve this, suppose if you want a child to have able to do the PISA questions, what you have to do? Your job is you have to enhance problem solving skills. Some of you may ask me, sir, what is there? I am giving you a problem and the child is simply solving it. But remember, as a teacher, you have to tell them how to solve a problem. Remember, that is why you see, whenever I was having that group work on that parking, I asked you, please don't tell me the answer. Please tell me the steps in which you have found. If a child is having this problem solving skill, very easy for him to answer all the questions. Well, let us see, what do you mean by problem solving skill? To improve student willingness to try problem, we need problem solving skills for the child. Students' self-concept with respect to the abilities, to make student aware of the problem solving strategy, to make student aware of the value of approaching problem in a systematic manner, to make student aware that many problems can be solved in more than one way. I think even in the class also we used to tell them that it is not a single way to do this problem. To improve student abilities to select solution strategies. Sometimes what will happen, if they go in a wrong direction, sometimes they will be very lengthy or they may not get the answer also. To improve student abilities to implement solution strategy accurately. To improve student abilities to get more correct answer to problem. That's why I'm telling, in PISA, we are having full credit and partial credit idea also. Suppose all our children are getting only partial credit, definitely their score will go down. Importance are the National Council of Teachers in Mathematics. I think you know that this is NCT. Recommended that problem solving be the focus of mathematics teaching because it empowers skills and function which are an important part of everyday life. In the morning also I was quoting competency based learning. The learning of a child should be competency based. For that, this problem solving skill, mathematical modeling, teaching aids, then better assessment, these are all called the themes, out of which problem solving skill is the one of the theme to enhance competency based learning. They recommended that mathematics curriculum should be organized around problem solving. It develops skills and ability to apply the skill to unfamiliar situation. You see, the situation may be unfamiliar to them. They may not have seen the situation, but they have to do it. Gathering, organizing, interpreting and communicating information, formulating key question, analyzing and conceptualizing problem, defining problem and goal, discovering pattern, seeking out appropriate data, experimenting, transferring skill and strategies to new situation, developing curiosity, confidence and open-mindedness. These are the importance of problem solving skill. What are the principles? Teach within a specific context, help student understand the problem, give enough time, ask questions and make suggestions, link errors and misconception. It is very, very important. I think, is there any difference between mistake and error? Both are equal. Anybody can tell me, is there any difference between mistake and error? You can unmute your mic and tell. Both are same.
Error may be nearer to the correct answer.
Oh, error is very near to the correct answer and mistake is not near.
Mistake is totally wrong.
Oh, mistake is totally wrong and error is approximation. Okay. Okay, sorry. Okay, any other try? Anybody can try?
Sir, mistake may be in the method.
Okay.
And error may be in the skill. In that skill, student might have made one mistake in that skill.
Mistake is in the steps and error is in the skill.
Error is in the total procedure. He has not understood the concept.
Okay. Error is he's not understood the concept. Okay.
No. Mistake means he has not understood the concept. Error means he understood, but while doing that calculations and all, he may commit some mistake. That is called error.
Okay, anyway, I think you did a ulta kar diya aapne. You did a mistake here. No problem. I will tell you what is the difference between mistake and error. Mistake is done only once. Error is having a pattern. If a child is going on doing it again and again in your class, remember, it is not a mistake, it is an error. Therefore, error is something which get repeated. Mistake is one which will not get repeated. It is occasional. That is why we are always calling it as silly mistake, counting mistake, and maybe multiplication mistake, calculation mistake. Nobody will tell that calculation error. We will not call it as a calculation error. We will call it as a calculation mistake. Because sometimes the child may have copied it wrongly, or they might have done the calculation wrongly. That is coming under mistake, but error is very, very dangerous. It is a pattern. The child has understood it in a wrong way, is having a kind of misconception, and he will be doing it till his death. For example, even some of them, even I have seen, they are writing sin inverse x is equal to 1 by sin x. There are certain children till today, if you give them sin inverse x, do the differentiation, they will write it as 1 by sin x, and they will do the differentiation directly. But these are all coming under error. It is not a mistake. Because you have taught them that a power minus 1 is equal to 1 by a. But they thought that sin inverse power minus 1 x is also 1 by sin x. A highly interesting thing happened when I went for one class inspection. I asked the child what is the reciprocal of 2 cube. Then the child told me, sir, it is 3 square. Then I thought that, okay, how you got it? You see, this is not a mistake, okay. 2 cube, then 3 square. Then he told, sir, my teacher, when he taught in the class, he told me that reciprocal ka matlab hai ulta. The meaning is, suppose if you are writing 3 by 4, what is the reciprocal? 4 by 3. Kya karna hai? Ulta karna hai. Numerator ko denominator banao, denominator ko numerator karo. Therefore, they thought, therefore, simply reciprocal means ulta. That is just to change the place. Therefore, for 2 cube, you simply change it into 3 square. Therefore, this is an error. Therefore, be careful. You have to link error and misconception so that the problem solving skill will get enhanced. Understand or define the problem. These are the steps. Analyze the problem totally. Identify different possible solution. That is actually highly interesting in problem solving step. And out of them, you have to choose the best solution. This is just like, it is not just like selecting sari. Implement the solution. Evaluate the outcome. These are all problem solving steps. Okay. Now I am going for a task. Already I have given you one question. This is open to all. This is on one handout. Solve the problem now. Write down the steps involved in arriving at the solution. I want only maximum 2 or 3 people to come forward. It is not a group work. It is open to all. Can I give you a couple of minutes? Can we come back at 3:35? Madam, please.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure, sir. 5 minutes we can give time, sir.
5 minutes I am
Yes,
giving
sir.
you.
Yes, sir.
Please go through this problem. Very simple problem.
Yes.
You are sorry. You have to give me the steps, just like problem solving skills. Thank you.